Hi everyone, I am Himanshu from Education and Technology and I welcome you to this session on Artificial Intelligence applications. I will be discussing how AI has impacted various fields, so make sure you stick till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel Education and Technology in order to stay updated on trend and technologies. So let's explore how artificial intelligence is helping our planet and at last benefiting humankind. Now let's discuss a couple of real-world applications of AI so that you can understand how important artificial intelligence is in today's world. Now one of the most famous applications of AI is the Google Protective Search Engine. When you begin typing a search term and Google makes a recommendation for you to choose from, that is artificial intelligence in action. So predictive searches are based on data that Google collects about you, such as your browser history, your location, your age and other personal details. So by using artificial intelligence, Google attempts to guess what you might be trying to find. Now behind this there is a lot of natural language processing, deep learning and machine learning involved. We will be discussing all these concepts in next videos, right? It is not very simple to create a search engine, but the logic behind Google's search engine is artificial intelligence. Moving on, in the finance sector, JP Morgan Chase Contract Intelligence platform uses AI, machine learning and image recognition software to analyze legal documents. Now let me tell you that manually reviewing around 12,000 agreements takes over 36,000 hours. That's a lot of time. But as soon as this task was replaced by AI machine, it was able to do this in a matter of seconds. So that's the difference between artificial intelligence and manual or human work. Even though AI can't think and reason like humans, but that computational power is very strong compared to humans, right? Because of machine learning algorithms, deep learning concepts and natural language processing, AI has reached a stage wherein it can compute the most complex to complex problems in a matter of seconds. Now coming to healthcare, IBM is one of the pioneers that has developed AI software specifically for medicine. Let me tell you that more than 230 healthcare organizations use IBM AI technology, which is basically IBM Watson. In 2016, IBM Watson technology was able to cross a reference 20 million oncology records quickly and correctly diagnose a rare leukemia condition in a patient. So it basically went through 20 million in records, which it probably did in a matter of seconds or minutes max to max, and then it correctly diagnosed a real leukemia condition in a patient. Knowing that machines now are used in medical fields as well shows how important AI has become now. Let me give you another example. The Google's AI Eye Doctor is another initiative which is taken by Google, where they are working with an Indian eye care chain to develop an artificial intelligence system which can examine retina scans and identify a condition called diabetic retinopathy, which can cause blindness. Coming to the virtual assistant, we have virtual assistants Siri, Alexa, etc. right now. Let me tell you about another newly released Google's virtual assistant called the Google Duplex. The Google Duplex can not only respond to calls and book appointments for you, but it adds a human touch. So it adds human filters and all of that. It makes off sound very realistic. It's actually very hard to distinguish between human and the AI speaking over the phone.
That's why we're building the Google Assistant.
Hi Amy, how can I help?
You just ask it what you need. Okay Google, what do I have to do today? And your assistant understands and helps you out. You can even carry on a conversation with it. How long will it take to get to downtown Chicago from home?
Here you go.
What restaurants are there? Book a table at Cortino Restaurant.
Sure.
And the assistant is always there for you. So if you're on the road, you can ask it where to fill up. And if you're at home, you can ask it to play some music. Or if you're in a chat with a friend, it can show you what's playing tonight. It's like your own personal Google. Naturally, anything you share with it is safe and secure. And the more you use your Google Assistant, the more useful it becomes. Remember, my byte combo is 326.
Got it.
And soon, you'll be able to access it from all sorts of places, so it will be everywhere you are. We made this for everyone. And today, we're making this just for you.
Hi, how can I help?
Meet your Google Assistant.
Now coming to Netflix. So with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Netflix has developed personalized movie recommendations for each of its users, right? So each of you open up Netflix, and if you look at the type of movies that are recommended to you, they are different. This is because Netflix studies each user's personal details and tries to understand what each user is interested in, what's all movies pattern each user has, and then it recommends movies to them. So Netflix uses the watching history of other users with similar taste to recommend what you may be most interested in to watching next. Also, it is known fact that over 75% of what you watch is recommended by Netflix. So their recommendation engine is brilliant, and the logic behind their recommendation engine is machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Machine learning is just such a fantastically powerful toolkit. It's enabling so many different new ways of looking at problems that you used to solve using regular algorithms, but now you can throw data at it.
It has inspired a generation of data scientists, and since that time, the field has flourished. There's a lot of innovation in ML, and we're now applying that innovation to many more different use cases at Netflix.
In order to accommodate a wide variety of data scientists from different backgrounds, we also want to accommodate the types of tools that they normally use. And so that brings us to a machine learning platform that needs to be language agnostic and truly multidisciplinary.
And you can think of the platform really, if you think of the machine learning model as a widget, the platform is kind of like the factory in which the widget gets built. So we're actually helping data scientists building their workshops so that they can efficiently build machine learning models. So machine learning will allow us to personalize not only the experience, but the content for a global audience.
Which in turn enables all of these wonderful storytellers all over the world to really bring out their voices, their ideas, and that excites me. That makes me be happy to come to work every day.
So for me, it's all about enabling different types of data scientists, and I'm really interested in figuring out ways to enable all of them equally to give us a strong diversity in our data science work.
It's really about getting the right smart people and presenting to them the right technical challenges that excites them.
This is the new era of software, and it's changing the way that we think about business.
Another famous application of AI is self-driving cars. So artificial intelligence implements computer vision, image detection, deep learning in order to build cars that can automatically detect any objects or any obstacles and drive around without human intervention. So these are fully automated self-driving cars. Also, Elon Musk talks a lot about how AI is implemented in Tesla's self-driving cars. He quoted that Tesla will have fully self-driving cars ready by the end of the year, and a robo-taxi version that can ferry passengers without anyone behind the wheel. So you look at it, AI is actually used by the tech giants, right? A lot of tech giant companies like Google, Tesla, Facebook, all of these data-driven companies, in fact Netflix also make use of AI, right? Apart from Netflix, Gmail also uses AI on an everyday basis. If you open up your inbox right now, you will notice that there are separate sections, right? For example, we have primary section, social section, and all of that. Gmail has a separate section called the spam mails also. So what Gmail does is, it makes use of concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to classify emails as spam and non-spam. Many a times certain words or phrases are frequently used in spam emails. If you notice your spam email, they have words like lottery, earn, full refund. All of this denotes that the email is more likely to be a spam one. So such words and correlations are understood by using machine learning and natural language processing and a few other aspects of artificial intelligence. In social media platform like Facebook, AI is used for face verification, wherein you make use of machine learning and deep learning concepts in order to detect special features and tag your friends. All the auto tagging features that you see on Facebook, behind that this machine learning, deep learning neural network, there's only AI behind it. So we're actually unaware that we use AI very regularly in our life. All these social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, they heavily rely on artificial intelligence. Another such example is Twitter's AI, which is being used to identify any sort of hate speech and terroristic languages in tweets. So again, it makes use of machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing in order to filter out any offensive or any reportable content, right? Now recently the company discovered around 300,000 terroristic link accounts, and 95% of these were found by non-human artificially intelligent machines. So guys, these were the common applications of artificial intelligence. Now in next video I will be talking you about types of artificial intelligence. Please like and subscribe our channel. Make sure you don't miss any update from us.